All right, what's the best business card to use to maybe promote your business if you have a gym or an Amazon store? Okay, in this case, I'm in a company promoting LiveGood, which has a lot of great products for the bod. All right, we got shirts and we have hats and all these other great things, okay? But what I need to do is have people just click something to watch something, okay? That's all I do with LiveGood. I make it simple. Okay, and one way is to just create a domain name. I like to always have just a business card in my wallet, in my car, in my truck, maybe in my office here. So if people do ask me about LiveGood, I don't do what I'm doing now, explaining LiveGood. Okay, I guess you could call it pass the buck, where you go, hey, you know what? Just click this, guys. Watch this video and make a decision. If you'd like to buy the products, great. If you want to be an affiliate, awesome. It's only $10 a month. And if you want to be an affiliate for life, it's only $40 one time. So if you got $50, great. Okay, now I just talked for about, let's say 30, 45 seconds. I don't even do this on a street level. I just go like this. Here's my card. Can you see it on my webcam? Sometimes it's shiny from the light. Joincory.com. Here, let me shrink my screen. Okay, this is my number one way. I've signed up well over 400. I'll hit 500 this summer. And these are people that have just signed up directly underneath me into LiveGood. Okay, I bought joincory.com. It was about $11 at GoDaddy. It forwards to the capture page that you get when you join LiveGood. You'll see when you click joincory.com. I don't mind giving out my email address. Okay, so that's it. I keep the business card simple. This card's about $25 for a big box that'll last me all year. And it's a couple bucks shipping to my house. So if you go to vistaprint.com, guys, they have over, I think, 10,000 designs. I love red, and I love little race cars, and I love how this white font jumps off the business card. I want you guys just to focus on the domain name. Okay, it's great that you do know my personal name and my email address, but if you put this business card, let's say on a wall, or you set it down on a desk, wouldn't you agree that joincory.com jumps off? That's the main focus. And do you notice how I capitalized the J and the C? I do that on purpose so that hopefully it jumps out even more. White font with a dark background, and see how there's really no clutter? Even this race car I made super light. All right, sometimes you don't even notice it's a little race car, okay? And then below, I didn't make the Cory at CoryDraper.com and my name as bright white as the joincory.com. And I did that for a reason too, because I want the focus to be on this link. And then you go to a video. All right, that's what I mean by click, then watch. I absolutely love saying those terms all day long. Okay, it's something that I'm very successful in doing with 7 other companies online. All right, LiveGood is one of my babies. Okay, but all my other incomes online complement LiveGood. Okay, just like a taco shell and meat and cheese and sour cream and hot sauce, red and green, okay? That's how I look at LiveGood. You got to do certain things like email, but email a certain way. Okay, you need some education, just how to do a TikTok or maybe a Instagram. You can always search free on YouTube. That's maybe how you found me. You typed in how to be successful in LiveGood, how to recruit, how to get signups in LiveGood. Or maybe wholesale products, wholesale health products. Okay, there's always tags or something you're typing. And I think YouTube is one of the biggest search engines besides Google. Google, I think, is always going to be number one. I think I read the other day where YouTube's search engine, where you search inside youtube.com, I think it's in the top 3 I read. So anyway, it all depends on what your goal is with YouTube. You can watch videos or comedy stuff or airline wrecks or, oh my God, there's so many things on YouTube. It'll eat up all your day. But if you're looking to earn money online, I'm glad you're watching my video and you are at least reading the word live good. Okay, you're reading it on your screen. Maybe you took notes. Maybe somebody's already in Live Good. Okay, but I think it's the best opportunity, especially for $50. For $50, guys, you're an affiliate for life. And the first $10 a month, which you have to spend, you have to be a member, and it's $10 a month to get wholesale. That's it. You don't have to buy products to earn commissions. Okay, the products all have 90 days, 3 months. No questions asked. You see these products on my mini fridge? If I buy, let's say I just received them today, I've got 3 months from right now. All right. And what is today? Let's see. It's February 5th of 2025. It's 2/5 of 2/5. Okay. 3 months. If I want my money back, I just send back my containers, and LiveGood's like, hey, you know what? Just thanks for giving them a shot. Even if they're empty. Okay. You get your money back. Products are awesome. Most expensive ingredients, guys. Organic. And guess what? We focus on what? Wholesale. We don't focus on retail. So our products are usually 30 to 50 to 70% cheaper, but we have the most expensive ingredients. Okay, isn't that awesome? That's why I became a member. I was buying Super Reds and Super Greens. I'm still a big fan of those things. So anyway, I want you to just go and do what I do. If you join, I'm going to give you an email, but I'm going to encourage you guys to do this. Just get a little business card if you have 25 bucks, a couple bucks shipping. If you have 11 bucks, get yourself a custom domain name from GoDaddy. And just get really good at inviting people to go to your LiveGood capture page. And what's your capture page? Well, I want you to find out. Go to joincory.com. It's a mystery. Okay? And you can see I got about 6, 7 signups here. This line right here is all the signups I've had the last couple of weeks. And that might be you if you're not already in, okay? All right, I'm out of here, guys. I appreciate your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's Cory at CoryDraper.com. I think you guys remember my email address. But joincory.com, that's my baby. Okay? Thanks, guys. Peace and love. I'll see you guys next video.